Okay, well, welcome back to my channel, P Street Garage. And it's been several months since I had a peek at my Corvette. And one of my buddies on YouTube, Rockstar Corvettes, he was asking about this car. And of course, he lives in a beautiful tropical location, and I do not. I live in Eastern Canada. Finally, winter's over. It's not a great day, but it's certainly nice enough that we can take the cover off this car and pull it outside and have a quick peek. She hasn't ran in months and months and months, so let's get this uncovered and pull it outside. A lot of dust. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see all this dust. It's not usually like this. I was actually because all the work I've been doing to this house, I actually was cutting some tile in here. I cut some ceramic tile in here, so that's what all this dust is on here. So I just rubbed my finger in there like an idiot, but I'm not going to do that again. Let's get this backed out, and I think I'm going to get this cleaned up. Just got to connect my battery first. Okay, so I got one of these quick disconnects on my battery. Get this connected up. And yeah, the level of dust on this car, like I was just saying, I don't know if you heard me or not, this is abnormal. And that's because I did some work in here. I was off to the side on my workbench and I was actually cutting tile, which is pretty retarded. So I won't do that again. All right, battery's hooked up. Let's go check the oil. Yeah. Well, oil's looking a little dark. Not horrible. I probably only did about probably not even 1,000 kilometers like last year. So I've really not been driving this car much. But we're going to take her out today. Come on, Old Faithful. Oh yeah, every time. 33 years old. It's always this good.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Okay, well that's as clean as what I'm going to make it for now. It's a little bit overcast here today, so I'm not going to put the top down or give it a polish or anything, but I got all that grime off that I wanted. It sounds like she's running pretty good. So I'm just going to let this dry off, make sure everything's good, and maybe we'll just take it for a tiny spin around the block. The old C4, 1990. Great old car. For anybody who trashes these cars, I've said this before and I'm going to say it again. I agree with you. This is not a C7, this is not a C8. This also is not $100,000. This is a $10,000 car. And you cannot find a better car for the money. Best car, best bang for your buck, best value out there. As far as I'm concerned, I've had this car since 2010. That's 13 years I've had this car. And yes, I do not drive it a lot. I drive it a few times a summer. And if I had a $100,000 Corvette, I would probably only drive it a few times a summer because, as you know, life is busy. And you don't always have as much time for your toys as you think. So anyway, the OC4. I'm going to drop the lid on this and take her around the block. Okay, well, here we are inside. A little foggy, but that's from all the water I was splashing around. Let's put the windows down. There we go. A little bit lazy today, this window. Try this one. Yeah, not bad for 33 years old. Love these wipers. Yeah, and they get tucked away. They tuck themselves away, I mean. Let's put a little bit of this defroster on there. Turn our blower up. This all works really well. I do have a slight issue with my tachometer. It just reads high, and that's something to do inside the cluster. I've had the cluster out before. There's some sort of a diode in there that could fix that, but I've had this all apart before, and honestly, I've been living with this. I mean, one day I will fix this, but I have been living with this. Let's just take it around the block. Get her limbered up just a little bit. It has been sitting. It's been sitting all winter. Fuzzy dice make it go faster. Alright, let's pay attention to the road here. So this car is very, very low to the ground, and the visibility is not, it's really not the same as when I drive my Tacoma, so I'm going to be a bit more careful. Not to mention it's harder to see one of these. Seems to be driving nice. Oh, speed bump. They don't take speed bumps that well. Okay. Seems to be idling good at a stop sign. I'll just drive enough to get the engine compartment all dried up. But like I said, I'm a little bit aggressive when I clean under the hood.